Hi class, Heather Chapman here. I wanted to give you a short video to walk you through our course and just to give you some helpful information about what you can expect in macroeconomics. So as you can see, we have our main homepage here. The top link is our syllabus. The next link is our classroom access code for Edpuzzle, so you'll need to log into that. Please make sure as you do, you write down your username and your password. In case you switch computers, you'll be able to access your information easily and you won't have to ask me to find that for you. You'll notice that before class, I want you guys to read the chapters that we'll be covering. You can also complete your Edpuzzle assignments, which you'll notice are short videos that have questions embedded in them. I do want to warn you that the Edpuzzle assignments are for accuracy, so if you're concerned that you might not be getting the question right, I would hold off on clicking submit until we've lectured that material in class so that you know you get full points for that. I have linked us, if you see here, I have linked us to each chapter in our textbook. So we can open chapter 1 and the book opens right here. You're welcome to read the book for free. You can also print the PDF version of the textbook for free. You can navigate through the textbook by clicking on the contents and then moving through the table of contents, or you can navigate the textbook by clicking the next or back arrows. I prefer to not read the online version of the textbook, so what I do is if you just Google OpenStax, that's the publisher, and then macroeconomics, 2E, this page should pop up, and it just gives you a link to the content, so just the table of contents. The view online is what I have linked us to in Canvas. Download a PDF will give you a PDF of the textbook, so if you have kind of not the best internet access all the time, or maybe you're going somewhere where you won't have internet access, you can download your textbook and then read it without even needing a Wi-Fi connection. You can also print these chapters for free. So you can purchase a low-cost copy of the textbook if you'd like, or you can print the chapters for free. Let's come back to our main page here. You also see that I have Chapter 1 Edpuzzles listed, so as we open this page, we see the Edpuzzle video assignments that I have created here for us. They are technically due after lecture, but if you want to read the chapters and attempt the Edpuzzles, you are invited to do that as well, even before lecture. I would recommend waiting to submit your homework assignments till after lecture, but that's also up to you. So as you go through, you can see how many videos are listed for each chapter and the duration of the video so that you know about how much time that chapter is going to take you. When you click on the video, if you click Start Assignment, you'll notice that there is a YouTube link right here. If you click that YouTube link, it opens this video in YouTube rather than through the Edpuzzle program. The only advantage to this would be you could watch the video a few times before completing your Edpuzzle assignments if you wanted to. Also, this button up here, Edpuzzle, is an external link out of Canvas into Edpuzzle itself, which is where your Edpuzzle grades will be housed until the end of the semester when I import your final Edpuzzle grade back into Canvas. Okay, so the format is really similar for each chapter. We have read the textbook, complete the Edpuzzle assignments, and then a homework assignment as well. Some of the chapters have extra assignments that are called Fred activities, and Fred is an online data tool. I'll just show you guys right now. An online data tool from the St. Louis Federal Reserve Bank, and we're going to be using this online data tool to understand data and graphs and to manipulate graphs as well. So we have a few Fred assignments, and then we also have a major paper that we're going to write in our class, and we have a lot of small assignments building up to that major paper as well. Okay, I hope this gave you a decent tour of what you're getting into for macro. Please let me know if there's anything that I can do to help. Have a great day.